how to buy no Valentine token. So this token came under the symbol of NV. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So this token is available on the screener. It created 20 hours ago and increased by 1000%. In the last 24 hours, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address is under this one. You're going to open your funds money for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able, as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and squeeze the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy no Valentine token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.